Hey guys, it's Brittany here from Pop Shop America, and we're going to make some really cute nursery art with these cards from Dollar Tree. They only cost $1, and this is a really simple, quick, non-expensive DIY. So these are all our supplies. We've got some Mod Podge, we've got some little mini canvases that I painted with acrylic paint. So this one I even DIY'd a little bit on the left, but I decided I wanted to redo it. We've got these cute, adorable cards from Dollar Tree, some scissors, and we also need a foam brush. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to cut out the image on the card that we like, and we just want to set it next to the canvas and figure out how it's going to line up, trim any edges, anything like that. What's really great is that the edges don't have to be perfect. Like if you see, mine are good, but really I want to get through this quickly. If they're not perfect, it is not going to affect the quality of this piece once it's finished. All right, so what we've done right here is we've added some Mod Podge to the back of the card that I cut out. So it's really important, we want to make sure to get the edges. The edges are going to stick up if they're not really heavily coated with Mod Podge. So make sure you get those thoroughly. And I went ahead and I added some to the canvas as well, just to make sure we were really getting a thorough, thick coat of Mod Podge, what's going to affix this cardstock to the canvas. Your next step is to press the cardstock to the canvas. So you're going to see that there's still a little bit of wet Mod Podge that's not touching the cardstock that's just sitting on the canvas, and that's okay because it's going to dry clear. So now what we've done is we've added a layer of Mod Podge to the front of this canvas, and that's going to set it to the canvas a little bit more thoroughly. It's like a nice final coat. And so we're just going to wait for it to dry at this point. That should take about 20 minutes, and then we'll be completely finished. And now we're going to repeat those steps, and we're going to make a second piece with this cute puppy. Now we have our second piece done, so we're just going to wait for this guy to dry. And these guys are dry, so now we have our finished Nursery Art Collages made with these adorable Hallmark cards from Dollar Tree. So if you want to be able to get these cards for yourself and make them for yourself, click the link below in the description. And I was compensated for this post. If you click the link, that's an affiliate link, so I will be compensated if you make a purchase after clicking those links.